So, as most of you already know, my favorite thing in the world as far as hobbies go is flying my drone. And I'm constantly trying to get better at this craft. But I really love the Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot series because I get to display some of my shots, some of my drone work, and I asked you guys to vote for your favorite shot in the comments. By the way you vote, it helps me kind of figure out, one, what people like to see in drone shots, and it also helps me improve the drone shots itself, helps me become a better drone pilot, and I want to thank you for that. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to launch the drone. I am going to put it up in the air. I'm going to fly it around, and I'm going to record 3 drone shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot.
Check that out. Oh, that's cool.
Alright, so that's the 3 shots. Tell me, which one did you like? Shot 1, 2, or 3? Make a note in the comments. Hey, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, share it. Maybe get it out there, get more people to watch it. And again, thank you so much for helping me find my best drone shot. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.